On the opposite side of a synthesis reaction, you have what's called a decomposition reaction. So a decomposition reaction is the breakdown of a substance into simpler substances. So in this case, they've shown us two water molecules that they have decomposed using electricity, electrolysis, decomposition of a substance with electricity, to where they return the water into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Synthesis reaction build compounds. Anything that can be built can also be taken apart. The breakdown of a compound into simpler substances is called decomposition. Decomposition is a chemical process. So let's look at two examples. Common table salt, which is known as sodium chloride, is a compound. It is composed of the elements sodium and chlorine. Sodium chloride can be melted, and then if we pass electricity through the melted sodium chloride, it will decompose and return to its original elements. So if we have two molecules of sodium chloride and we run electricity through it, we can decompose it into two sodiums and two chlorines. Decomposition of a compound by means of electricity is called electrolysis. Only certain compounds can be decomposed by electrolysis. Water is one of them. Another type of decomposition reaction is potassium chlorate. It's a compound, and it's composed of the elements potassium, chlorine, and oxygen. When heat decomposes potassium chlorate changes to oxygen and potassium chloride, a simpler compound. So here we have two molecules of potassium chlorate. They decompose into potassium chloride and oxygen molecules. Now this decomposition is not complete, so in order to separate the potassium chloride, we would need to decompose them separately. So we would need another kind of decomposition reaction to separate those elements. All right, I hope this helps.